Picture this. You're waking up to birds chirping, surrounded by nature's beauty, with all the comforts of home just steps away. Welcome to the RV lifestyle, where adventure meets comfort and unforgettable family memories are made. Imagine your kids' faces lighting up as they toast marshmallows over the campfire, the laughter around the picnic table, and those starlit bedtime stories that they'll remember forever. Your travel trailer becomes more than just a vehicle. It's your home away from home and the backdrop to your family's greatest adventures. The perfect way to start making memories with your family. Memories that you just can't buy.
Hey everyone, it's Lee at Carson City RV. Today we got something special. We're going to talk about the Forest River Wildcat 1. New for 2026, this is the Forest River Wildcat 1. I'm going to go over some of the features on this coach and tell you why, maybe it would be a good fit for anybody that does a lot of, four seasons camping. This kind of starts off with the overall construction of this RV. You have a steel, or not a steel, but aluminum cage construction with 2-inch block foam insulation. Now that's in pretty much any of the walls and the floor. So if you're going to be doing any camping where it's super cold out, this might be a good fit for you just because of that overall design. And this has heated enclosed underbelly and 12-bolt pads on the heating tanks, which really makes a difference in the elements. When you're out there in sub-zero temperatures, this would probably be, a recommendation for you. Now on the back, you have your usual suspects. You have your Lippert ladder bracket, and it is pre-wired for a backup camera. And I'd advise anybody that if you're kind of new to the RV world, that's really not a bad idea. Spare tire, it's not mounted underneath. It's actually mounted on a bracket on the rear bumper, which is also integrated into the frame. Super good idea and super easy if you ever needed to get to it. Over here you have your outdoor shower, your 30 amp hookup, and your drains. It's all centrally located. Really, really good design. Now the other thing is they actually have, the frame itself has I-beam construction, and they kind of build the frame around the actual floor plan. That's one of the things that Forest River is doing. So they want to make sure that you have good weight distribution. D-rated tires with leaf spring suspension, and these are easy lube axles, so they're really easy to take care of. They're low maintenance. Over here you have your vent for your furnace, so this does have forced air heat, and then a 60,000 BTU water heater. The nice thing about this is if you get to a park somewhere and you do have full hookups, you're going to have the opportunity to have unlimited hot water. So no cold showers for you. Solid Lippert steps. Does not seem like a big deal, but if you got pets or you got somebody that's a little bit older, it's a lot easier to get into. And I wanted to point out another thing here, that all the compartments have the same insulation. So if you're going to be putting anything outside the coach, inside of these compartments, they're going to be equally insulated as the rest of the RV. You do have solar on this coach. It's 200 watts and it is expandable. I believe it's expandable up to 1200 watts, and you have a 30 amp controller. You have this beautiful 18-foot awning. It runs the length, and you do have JBL outdoor speakers. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so going inside here, you do have this pull-out sofa that sleeps two. You have a dream dinette that drops down, and you could get a reasonable 6 regular adults into this dinette, which is a great design. Going back to the coach, back here, this is one of the features I really like about this, is you have sleeping for 1, 2, 3, possibly 4, 5 more people back in this room here. This is a little bunkhouse. You do have LED lights fully throughout. Looks like my battery's going dead. But they have these lighting strips that run the length of the ceiling, which is a really good design. They don't take up a lot of power. Coming back here, you do have a king size bed. It's actually a narrow king, but it's 80 inches long. So you guys out there that are a little bit taller, having a hard time trying to find an RV that has a big enough bed, this is your solution. You have tons of storage everywhere on this thing. So you have storage underneath the bed, and on both sides of the coach, you have storage galore up there. It is a vented, ducted AC system, and you do have a 15,000 BTU main unit here, along with your 10 cubic foot refrigerator, stove, and a convection microwave. And this is really beautiful. This is a farmhouse sink that's bigger than some of the sinks I've seen in some of the houses out there. Really nicely done. Your entertainment center here consists of a big screen TV. You do have the integrated JBL audio system that's 2-zone, and then you also have 5100 BTU fireplace down there. So that's really nice on those mornings where you just want to take the chill out of the air. You don't have to fire up the furnace. And then going into the bathroom area here, you have this beautiful shower enclosure, and that is a one-piece design. All of your fixtures are like regular full size, and then you do have a porcelain foot flush toilet. Porcelain, the people ask me, well, why would you go with porcelain? Well, they're easier to clean, and you know it's just going to last a lot longer for you, be a little more durable. So there you have it, the 2026 Forest River Wildcat 1 281Q beds. This is a fantastic coach with a great layout, and I think it would be a great all seasons coach if you wanted to go an RV somewhere where it's really hot or really cold. There's a lot of standard and upgraded features that I just scratched the surface of. So now let's talk about the price. The price of this coach is $63,723. But at Carson City RV, we don't believe in selling anything at full list price. Get in touch with me. All of my information's down there in the description. It's our #1 goal to make the price and or monthly payment fit into your budget. And we want to make you feel comfortable when you're doing it. So until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing new videos every week on whatever coach I can get my hands on. So happy camping and goodbye.